So hello guys, in the next few minutes we are going to learn or we are going to know about the what a cryptocurrency is and how a cryptocurrency works, and more about the blockchain's technology, decentralized system and the chain system, blockchain system and so on, and what the cryptocurrency trading is. So without wasting any time, let's start into today's video. So guys, if we are talking here about the cryptocurrencies, then in our mind there are so many cryptocurrencies appears such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Oh, Dogecoin is so famous today. So Dogecoin is also appears in our mind. So guys, these all coins are basically working in a same principle or in such a principle that it can make the transactions of each in a very easy way. Okay, so in a very easy way and complete these transactions within a small times, which the banks or these sections which can helps in our transaction that they can takes a so long time. So if we are here talking about the cryptocurrencies, then we have to talk more about the blockchain technology and the decentralized system. So guys, what a blockchain technology is? So as appears in the blocks, so here the first we get a hash code, then after transaction code, and then after the next hash code of the previous transaction code. So guys, one after one that appears in each blocks, and after then the transaction code or the hash code of the previous blocks joins in the next block, and so on. There's a very long block which is occurs, and such a system after blockchain and blockchain and blockchain, one after another blockchain convert this whole blockchain into a decentralized system, which is the main functions or the main funda of a cryptocurrency. So guys, if we have to understand a cryptocurrency, then we must have to understand that what a decentralized system is. So basically the decentralized system is such that one thing which does not store in a specific way or which does not have a main center point. So guys, this thing happens that every transaction hash code have to be verified by the miners of each cryptocurrency's miners, which can verify each transactions that occurs in the specific coin, such as who mines or who verifies the Bitcoin transaction. They are known as Bitcoin miners. So after the majority of the miners when approves the transaction, then the transaction added to a block or makes a chain which is known as the blockchain, in which the record of the transaction or the hash code of the previous transaction is also included or also added to these blocks also. So after that, when so many blocks are chained one after another, then a big chain which is happened, and this is known as the blockchain. And this total blockchain in which every transactions are stored in the one another blocks. So this makes this a decentralized system, which if we changed or if we try to change in the transaction number of one block, then this is not be possible for all hackers or the types of the hackers, which is basically impossible to hack a full transaction, because this is stored in a decentralized way, as there are every transaction have each and every block as a record in a documentary form. So if anyone try to or hack a block, then he have to hack all the blocks at the same time, which is forever impossible. Or if they are trying to hack only one block, then they must have to hack or have to make an approval for the at least 51% of the total miners, which is showing as impossible. So these blockchains make this cryptocurrency an unhackable method. So next we comes to the transactions, how a transaction is happening in the blockchain or the bitcoins or the litecoins or the cryptocurrencies. So basically, when anyone purchases a block or bitcoin from a exchange, such we get so many exchanges such as Wazirx, Coin DCX, Binance and so on. After that, one can buy this bitcoin or the litecoin. They can send this to another person on their exchanges or their wallet address, such as Bitcoin have the another type of wallet address, Ethereum has the another type of wallet address, or TRX Tone coin have the another type of wallet address. So they are basically making a blockchain technology. In such wallet address, they can transfer their money with a convenience or with a very low fees, which the bank charges a very high fees. So they can send their transaction, or this process is very fast, where the so many types of computers working together day and night to verify each transaction. So you may think that how much fast the transaction is. So guys, this is the way that a cryptocurrency transaction is happened also. So guys, then after we will talk about how does the cryptocurrency is manipulated by this someone, or how to invest in a cryptocurrency. So guys, if we have to invest in a cryptocurrency, then we must have an account in exchange. So guys, I will give some description in the exchanges. If you want, then you can try and join with this link. So guys, after joining this link, you can purchase your wishable coin, or somehow the coins such as Litecoin is, after that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Wink, BTT. There are more than 5,000 coin which is appears in the market. You can buy any coin, and after that you must have to analyze this coin fundamentally and technically if they are going to cheat you or not. So guys, in the next videos we will learn that how to analyze a coin. So guys, if you like this video and wishing to have the next videos about the how to analyze a coin and choose the best coin for you, so please comment in the below and like this video if you like the information that is shared with you. Hope you like this video, then please share with your friends and your groups. So guys, see you in the next videos.